Hello, my beautiful Hair Lounge community. Angelina here in the Hair Lounge. Today we're going to talk about something that I've talked to you about before in a previous video, but I have a new reason why I want to talk to you about it. So it's all about those Tori Belle Magnetic Eyelashes. Surprise, surprise, you guys. I am now a Tori Bell cosmetic affiliate. Just kind of a fancy word saying that I back Tori Bell and I now sell their lashes in all their cosmetic lines. So I'm gonna do kind of an unboxing for you to show you what it looks like when you get your lashes in the mail. So here we go. This is what they look like. These specific lashes are our ladies' night lashes. So when you get this box, you open these puppies up and it comes in a super nice magnetic tray. So you're going to pull out this little tab here and it's going to pull this box out. So I'm going to show you guys a little something. Some people do not know this, but on the back of your tray, if you see this right here and right in here, those are the magnets. These magnets are holding your lashes on that actual tray. So these lashes are definitely one size fit all, but majority of the time you have to trim them. So I'm gonna show you how to trim your lashes. So we're gonna take off this plastic cover and this is what they look like. And we are just gonna pull this lash off. So when I flip this around, this is going to show you those shiny little squares are magnets. And those magnets, there's 10 magnets on there. When you're holding this up to your eye, it is not going to fit every single eye. So look at how far out that actual lash kind of sits. So when you are trying to measure your lash to your actual eye before you trim them, you want that very first magnet on the inner corner of your eye to hit right about where that color is on your eyeball. If you go too far in close to your actual eye, what's going to happen is it's going to poke your eye. So you want to make sure that your lash is super comfortable and sitting nicely on your actual eye shape. Me personally, I obviously have worn these lashes a few times, so I know I normally need to trim at least 2 of those magnets on. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you look on, so every lash is different, but if you look at these lady night lashes, this side right here is where it's a little bit more narrow, and then it has a fringe on the outer corner. So this lash is for my right eye. And when I trim this, I do want all that flare on that right side. So when I'm going to trim this magnet, I want to trim it from this inner corner of my actual lash. So when you look, you can see right in between those magnets right here. And when you trim it, you want to trim as close to that magnet as you possibly can. So let's do that now. So I am just going to take one magnet off for right now, just to kind of show you guys. So I have my scissors here, and you can see those really shiny magnets. I'm going to hold that as close as I possibly can, right to that magnet. Down it goes. I do like to keep those extra pieces that I do trim off and I put them back inside my box. So just make sure, I will pick that up in a second. So now we're gonna remeasure. So this is gonna show you, obviously I have trimmed my lashes before and I told you I like to take 2 off, but we're gonna remeasure just to make sure, because not every lash is the same. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna go with that to kind of show you guys. So now, these are a brand new pair of lashes. As you guys saw, I just took them out of the box today. So you want to kind of bend between those magnets. This is what's going to make that lash form to your actual eyeball. So if you are not bending and kind of wiggling that actual band, it's not going to form to your eye very well. And that's where you're going to get kind of popping up on that left side or on that outer corner of your eye. So make sure you are wiggling that band I will tell you guys, the more you wear your lashes, the better they feel. They kind of shape to your actual eye shape and they just go on a lot easier. So, and then I do kind of like to grab and just kind of wiggle it like that. Because obviously everybody's eye shape. So now you can kind of see how it's curving and following that shape of my actual eye, and that's exactly what you want. So as you can see, that this is the lash I have not trimmed, but this is the one that I trimmed. And when I hold this magnet over or pull that lash over, see how it's kind of dangling off? I need to now move that magnet on the back of my tray in, since that lash is shorter. So it's just double-sided sticky tape. So we're gonna kind of pull that magnet off and we are going to just move it in, flip my lash around, and look, now it has attached super nicely to that tray. You always want to make sure you're putting your lashes back inside the tray. It's going to keep them kind of formed nicely, and it keeps them super clean. They don't get messed up if you're just throwing them in your drawers. And these lashes will last you at least 20 wears if you take really good care of them. And honestly, some people get 30, 40 wears. Our CEO, Laura Hunter, she said that she's had some lashes for 2 years. So if you take good care of them, these lashes will last you a super long time. All right, now let's get to applying. So we have different types of actual liner. We have a gold USA liner, and then we also have our classic. So this classic, this one is actually going to be waterproof, and the gold one is going to be water resistant. The gold one is also hypoallergenic, so if you have a little bit more sensitive skin, you're going to want to go with this gold one. If you like waterproof and it doesn't move at all, you're going to want to use this classic liner. The classic, we do have different colors. We have black, we have brown, and we also have gray. This one that I'm going to use today is brown. I do like to tell most of my people that I normally wear black eyeliner, but our black in our classic is very dark. And so if you're going to be using it for every day, I do like to tell people to try the brown just because it does go on pretty dark. As you can see, I do actually have eyeliner on. This is a really good tip for those people who, if they're having any lifting or peeling, or say they're not good with liquid eyeliner, because this is a liquid, do your normal eyeliner first, and that is actually going to kind of be your tracing line for your liquid liner. So I'm going to use the brown today of our classic, and you do want to stir this bottle. So that's going to make sure that you mix all those ingredients in together so your liner works really well. Then once you pull this out, you're not going to wipe. So meaning you pull this up, do not wipe this on there. You'll get kind of a cluster of product at the tip and it dries it out. So you want to just put it in and pull it straight out. I'm going to get real close and personal, and let's see if I can do this on camera. So I am going to kind of pull my eye tight, and you're going to want to do 2 coats of this liner. The first one, I'm going to do my right eye, then I'm going to do my left eye. And then that second coat, you're going to want it to dry for 2 minutes. Do not be impatient. It's very important. It needs to dry for those 2 minutes. So let's get to it. There's that one. Now we're going to move on to our left eye. Stir that guy up. No wiping. Just like that. So I'm going to kind of talk to you guys about a few things while we let that coat dry. I do like to use a normal mascara. We also have a fiber lengthening mascara. That's a good one you can use too. But I do like to coat my eyelashes with mascara. It helps blend our lashes with your own natural lash. I do already have mascara, but I did not want to forget to tell you guys this. It does blend them really good, and it kind of helps the magnetic lashes kind of stick to your actual lash. Sometimes if you do not have anything on your lashes are super slick. And so this kind of helps grab your magnetic lashes. All right, let's do our second coat. And then I will tell you, if you get any of the actual liner on your eyelashes, I literally just grab and kind of wipe it off, because anywhere you have the actual liner on, those magnets on those lashes are going to try to stick. So I do like to remove that. And now we wait those 2 minutes. So now this is a great time to trim that other lash while I'm waiting for my other liner to dry, those 2 minutes. So I will tell you, obviously, if anybody is into beauty whatsoever, everybody does kind of know there's tons of different types of magnetic eyelashes out there. But I will tell you, Tori Bell is original. Our CEO is who made up kind of the liner and magnet formula. So it is patent pending. So we are the original. And she honestly is an amazing woman who believes in our product. She listens to our customers and affiliates and is always trying to be innovative and making sure we're coming up with new inventions, new ideas, different lash styles. And so you're getting a different type of service with us versus, say, if you're going on Amazon and just buying whatever magnetic liner and lashes you're seeing on there. We definitely are here to kind of help our customers and guide them to know which lashes you should get for your own personal, eye shape, or guiding you on, say, like that liner, like I told you guys, using, the brown versus the black if you're someone who doesn't like super dark color. And then we also do have our anchors. A lot of times when you get a lash set, you do not get anchors, and anchors are kind of the insurance policy. We definitely are the OGs. So don't forget that when you're thinking about magnetic eyelashes. I will be putting my link down below, but I would love it if you reached out to me and said, hey, I want to get some lashes. I need your help. And I am more than happy. Send me a message on Instagram and I will help you find that. Or you can also find me on Facebook, and I will help you pick the right lash for you. All right, guys, so it's been that 2 minutes. So let's start applying these lashes. So one nice thing with these lashes, they do jump right to your eyeball, which is why I love these, compared to if, say, you're going to use adhesive. Adhesive is really hard, kind of where you put the lash, the glue is super messy, and these are just not like that. So let's get to applying these puppies. So you can see it's already attached. And like I said, you want that first magnet to be right where that color of your eye is. And this is where I was telling you guys, it is very good to have that natural or that mascara on, because then it blends those lashes together. So I picked these Ladies Night because they're a little bit more showy. As you can see, look at the difference of my right eye versus my left eye. I mean, this eye, I do have mascara on it, but you can even tell that I, have lashes. And when you look at this, it is a huge difference. They make my eyes pop. They make kind of the blue of my eyes stand out super, super good. This is why I love these lashes, because they definitely give you a little boost of confidence. All right, guys, so now there's obviously my right on. We're gonna do the left side. And this one is just like the right. Make sure you get it as close to that color part of your eye. And then you are going to pull it out to that other side, just like that, you guys. So now I'm gonna show you with these anchors. So when I pulled it out of the box, it has all of these tiny little hairs right here. These are the little pieces that I trimmed off already, but these anchors are gonna go on the outer corners of your eyes, and it's gonna make it secure on your eye. So let's grab this first one. And when you're using the anchors, you wanna make sure that those hairs are going up. So I'm gonna hold it just like that. And as you can see, those hairs are pointing straight up to the sky. Okay, so now we are going to take that anchor and you're gonna sandwich it right in between your natural lashes and the false eyelashes. So you're gonna put it right up underneath and find that magnet. And as you can see, while I pull on it, it is attached. So now we have that other anchor, and we're gonna put this one on the inner corner of our eye. And this, I will tell you, do not have to do. It helps for like if it's a super windy day or if you have new eyelashes. This kind of molds that eyelash to your actual eye. Like I said, it's not needed, but it definitely helps form that lash to your eye. So now we're gonna do the inner corner, and you just put it right up underneath, and you're gonna see it jump straight. See it kind of jump to that, and then you just let go. And it pulls that eyelash down onto your eye. So now exactly the same thing on this left eye. Just like that. And then on the inner corner of your eye. Just like that. So what do you guys think of these eyelashes? These ones are our ladies' night eyelashes, and I'm gonna close my eyes, that way you can see them. These ladies' night are a little bit heavier, so you will feel these on your eyes, but we have tons of different options that you can choose from. And like I said, down below, I will go ahead and put my link down there. That way you can kind of take a look and see all the different options. But like I told you before, I would love if you reached out to me and I could help you find the perfect lash for your eyes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and will love Tori Belle lashes just like I did. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys all next time. Bye-bye.